Do you have a vitamin deficiency, lack of sleep, anxiety, or depression? You may have fatigue and tiredness. Read here the most common causes of fatigue and tiredness in young adults. Always feeling tired is quite common for us, but there is still a thin line between fatigue and tiredness because most people consider both the same. Fatigue refers to when you feel extreme tiredness and lack of energy, and tiredness means you feel exhausted. Many people feel fatigued even after completing their sleep, and you mustn't ignore the symptoms. Here we are listing of the most common causes of fatigue and tiredness. You must comprehend them all and consult an expert if you have any problem, so let's have a closer look at that. Common causes of fatigue and tiredness. Anemia. Red blood cells are responsible for providing enough oxygen to our body, and when you have a low rate of red blood cells or hemoglobin, it means you are anemic. When you have anemia, your body doesn't get proper oxygen. That's why you always feel tiredness, and the long-term effect can lead to fatigue. Iron deficiency can also cause pale skin tone, dizziness, weakness, short breathing, and headache. Women are more prone to anemia if they have a heavy menstruation cycle, malnutrition, and pregnancy. You are anemic or not, you may know that a simple blood examination and iron supplements and diet can sort the problem. Vitamin deficiency. Vitamins also play a vital role in our health, and in today's life, malnutrition is not a big issue due to unhealthy eating habits. You may feel fatigued if you have a vitamin deficiency, including vitamin D, vitamin D3, magnesium, vitamin B12, and potassium. Certain tests can identify the issue, and your doctor may prescribe some vitamin supplements that will help you, and taking a proper diet can also help you out. Diabetes. Millions of people have diabetes when their body becomes unable to produce enough insulin hormone so the body cells can generate enough energy for the body causes diabetes. Other common signs of sugar are extreme hunger and thirst, urge for urination, weight loss, numbness in the hands and feet, poor vision, wounds healing process becomes slow, dry skin, etc. If you feel these symptoms, then ask for a diabetes test. Lack of sleep. If you are a night owl and spend excess time with your mobile or laptop, you must be aware that it can be a major cause of fatigue. An adult person needs 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night, and sleep deprivation is not good for overall health and can affect the whole day's activity. If you can't sleep properly or have a stressful night, you must consult a doctor. Depression. Depression has been becoming jeopardy and common concern and affecting every age group and a common cause of fatigue. Depression causes misbalance in neurotransmitters in the brain, and you may feel demotivated and have suicidal thoughts. Depression influences the whole routine, including physical and mental health. One can't sleep properly or sleep for too long in the morning, still wakes up tired. If you are depressed for any reason, you must consult an expert or therapist. Hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is when our body cannot release enough thyroid, and studies have revealed that women are more prone to this disease. You may easily trigger fatigue, tiredness, lack of energy, weight gain, etc. It can be easily diagnosed by simple blood tests, and medication can help you for sure. Hepatitis. In hepatitis, liver functioning gets affected, decreasing its ability to break down the toxins and accumulate the metabolism process. When the liver becomes inflamed during hepatitis, you may experience excess tiredness and fatigue, abdominal pain, jaundice, dizziness, and nausea. The condition can be diagnosed by performing liver tests, and consulting with an expert is also important. Glandular fever. Glandular fever causes a viral infection that includes sore throat, fever, fatigue, and swelling in the glands. Mostly it triggers young people, and symptoms can stay for a particular time and then clears up after a few weeks, but fatigues can stay for a long time, even for a few months. Viral infection is also common, so try to boost up your immunity so your body can fight such infections. Restless legs syndrome. As the name describes itself, when you always feel moving your legs with a rapid urge even when you are sleeping or feel pain and discomfort in the legs, it can cause fatigue. Anxiety. Anxiety is also a common issue, and we all feel it several times. According to experts, there is a condition called GAD or generalized anxiety disorder, which means you have excess uncontrolled feelings and overwhelming thoughts that affects your regular life and, of course, are not appropriate for your mental and physical health.